Hi friends, I thought I would take just a minute to talk to you about this month's paper pumpkin. I know what next month's is. It's got a sunflower theme and I am super excited about that. And I haven't even opened this box yet, so I thought we would go through it together, and then I'll show you the cards when they're done and then talk to you about next month's. So stick with me, we'll have fun. Okay, here we are. Let's take a look at this paper pumpkin. This is for this month, which is July 2020, and this one is called Sending Good Thoughts. So let's look at this together. Okay, first off we get our stamping spot, and this month we have Bermuda Bay, really beautiful blue-green color. This stamp set we have, so we've got a ship and some coral and some good sayings, wishing you all the best, sending good thoughts. We've got some cute starfish and coral. Anyway, that looks like a really fun set. We've got information about next month. I'm so excited for this one, the sweet sunflowers. So if you want to get in on this box, you would need to subscribe by August 10th, before August 10th. So it's going to be a beautiful kit. But anyway, right now we are going to look at this month's. We have our kit, and here's the kit. Sending Good Thoughts Paper Pumpkin Kit. They're going to be 3 cards, 3 cards, and 3 cards. So this is going to make 3 designs, 3 each, 9 cards. Let me get in. So we've got some linen thread, some glue dots, some Stampin' Dimensionals, our envelopes. So we've got 9 envelopes for our 9 cards. These look like some card fronts. Oh, they have texture. Oh, that's neat. I'm sure you won't be able to see that, but it's raised. So this is one of the designs. This one has texture too. They all have texture. Very neat. They're embossed. And this one. So there's our 3 different designs. Then the card bases. So again, 3 each of the 3 designs. And then some cutout pieces. Oh, cute. We've got these. I usually stack mine. There's 3, and I usually just stack them even if there's more. And I just cut them out together like this. I like to always pull my pieces apart before I even get started. And so once I get my pieces all separated, take a look at the instructions. Some things I want to point out about a typical paper pumpkin is you'll always have the name of it here. You can see your finished products here, which I like. On the back, they will tell you what is included. They'll tell you the coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors. And I find that helpful whenever you want to use the pieces and make something else. So those are the colors that are in there. If you have some of that cardstock in those colors, you know you can make another card and it'll look well with some of these pieces here. There's always the code here, the QR code, that you can get some more information. It'll actually show you the detailed instructions of the kit. They show you a few optional ideas that you can do. Let's go inside. Okay. So when you open up the instructions, they are numbered, number 1, number 2, and number 3. And you will, if you see a picture that looks like that, that's your ink spot. And then they'll tell you, you know, stamp with this on here, stamp with this on here, stamp with this on here. So it's very user-friendly. They show you where to put your... These are Stampin' Dimensionals, these circles, and then little tiny dots are glue dots. So you can tell what to include. Card 1, card 2, card 3. They give you a ruler. Sometimes it's on the bottom, sometimes it's on the side. But for example, with the here, it'll tell you 21 inches to cut your twine. So you've got your ruler here that you can do that. And then the other thing they show you is the pieces that go in each card. So like here's my first card, which it's actually card number 2. What parts go with it? The large bottle, then the the red coral, the seahorse, the starfish, the, label, twine, which stamps. They tell you everything on this little section that you'll be using per each card, which is really helpful. And those are the main highlights that I like to point out for each kit. And I will make them probably tomorrow, actually. I don't think I'm going to make them now. And I'll come back and show you the finished products. There we have it. It's all finished. I've got 9 beautiful cards that I can send out now. And here they are. 2 and 3 different designs. Really pretty. And then here's a better look at the stamp set. And there are some images that we haven't even used. For example, this little star, which you can use to decorate your envelopes. They're blank, so they're light blue, but they're blank, so you can choose anything you like on there. Okay, cute set. You can get a lot more use out of that. And once everything is all finished, I still have some of my linen thread left. I have 2 extra labels because they give you in case you mess up, and plus they like to maximize the cardstock that they do it on. Of course, I've got a Stampin' Spot. I believe that they pretty much will never repeat a color in 12 months. So whenever you subscribe, you can subscribe, and through the year you will never get a duplicate Stampin' Spot. I've got almost half a page of Stampin' Dimensionals. I do use a lot of those. So that's always great. I've still got glue dots. I tend to a lot of times use my Stampin' Seal or even my liquid glue when I'm doing these projects. It's not my favorite to use glue dots, but sometimes it is the best choice. So I still have those left. I think that's everything. It's always a good idea to have a take your pick tool. So if that's not something that you have yet, you might want to look for that in the store. It's great for embellishments, and I'm always using it when I do Paper Pumpkin for getting the glue dots off and getting embellishments on and things like that. So anyway, super fun kit. I love it. I love Paper Pumpkin. I've had them all. I've done them all. I want to remind you that Sale-a-bration is going on right now, and as a reminder, for any $50 in purchase, you get to choose a Sale-a-bration item free, and it's also a good time to do a Paper Pumpkin subscription because that can count towards your Sale-a-bration goodies. So keep that in mind. And then again, what I'm so excited about is next month's Paper Pumpkin. There are 2 classic Stampin' Spots. It does say that right here. I do recall another free gift that's going to be included. You'll just have to wait and see. And you want to subscribe by August the 10th. Okay, great. Thanks for stamping with me today. I hope this gives you a little more information about Paper Pumpkin. And if you'd like to subscribe, the link will be down in the description. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.